I'll
You can
take
have all
3
of them.
more. Yeah.
How about we just put this in your basket?
Perfect.
Is that
Yeah, let's do that. I'm Skyler Bouchard, a food blogger and beauty enthusiast with a genuine curiosity for how the two go hand in hand. Newsflash, I love cinnamon. I mean, I usually prefer it in those ooey gooey cinnamon rolls, but even when it's not part of a sinful dessert, it's still amazing. Today, I'm spicing up my beauty routine. First, I'm going to Lush to learn about their cinnamon shampoo bar. And then I'm going home to make my very own DIY cinnamon lip plumper. We're gonna learn all about how cinnamon benefits us from the inside and out. This is Treat Yourself with Skyler. I feel like cinnamon has been dubbed the most basic spice of them all. Can I get a pumpkin spice latte, anyone? Skinny chai? A skinny cinnamon mochaccino? Okay, I made that last one up, but you get it. And let me tell you that cinnamon is anything but basic when it comes to beauty. Remember our friend the antioxidant? Yes, cinnamon is one of them. Cinnamon contains plant-based compounds that help fight cell damage and may prevent against certain types of cancer. Cinnamon is also extremely helpful in treating inflammation, and it improves your digestive health. Basic? Cinnamon is way cooler than avocado toast. I am so excited for what we have planned today. You're gonna see all the magic that cinnamon can do, and we're testing the theory if cinnamon can actually plump your lips. When applied to the skin, cinnamon stimulates your blood vessels, which brings your blood to the surface of the skin. This causes swelling. Think about when you go for a long walk and your fingers get all swollen. No, you're not weird. And yes, this is normal. This happens because of the blood stimulation in the body. The same thing can happen with your lips. I'm really excited for this one, you guys. Let's go.
Hi, Skyler. Welcome to Lush.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I'm Maddie. Nice to see you. I am the assistant manager here at Lush Union Square in New York City. Today we're going to be talking to Skyler all about what cinnamon does for the hair and the skin, and talking about a few products. We distill cinnamon in a steam distilled as well as a pressed way to get that beautiful cinnamon leaf oil, which is going to feel very warm and spicy and invigorating on the skin. We have our lovely new shampoo bar. We have lots of fresh cinnamon leaf in here and clove bud, which work together to stimulate the scalp. So if you're looking to kind of pump up the volume in your hair,
Yes.
thicken, lengthen, this is gonna be a really great option for you. When used in the scalp and in the hair, it can actually help promote new hair growth by feeding those blood cells with fresh blood, getting that skin nice and warm and tingly.
I can only imagine how that feels in my scalp. I've never done anything that tingles.
The matching product, which is a hair mask. It's made with our fairly traded cocoa butter. We only use fair trade cocoa butter at Lush. And then we have that lovely cinnamon leaf oil in there, as well as clove bud oil. You put the treatment down in a heat-proof container.
Okay.
And then you're gonna pour hot water on top. You wanna stir as you go. So we're just using the heat from the water to melt that cocoa butter and to melt all those wonderful oils in there. So when you go to apply it, you just scoop and work it in, and then I work it into the hair, root to tip. Your hair is a sponge, so you wanna put the amazing oils and all that cinnamon and the cocoa butter into the hair when it's dry, so that your hair can actually soak all of that in.
Ooh, very nice.
I feel it warming and cooling on my hands already.
I'm waiting for the tingle. Ah, the tingle has hit. It smells like cinnamon candy, which makes me even more excited. So I'm definitely gonna need like 77 of those. I'm gonna go get a cart and I'll be
Amazing.
back. I just got back from Lush, and I think it's so impressive how everything is natural, and they use so many edible ingredients, and they were nice enough to send me home with the shampoo bar and the hair mask. But today, I am using cinnamon for a totally different reason. I'm using it as a lip plumper. When we were at Lush, Maddie told me that cinnamon stimulates the blood flow in the scalp, and that's what helps with hair growth. So, I read online that cinnamon might actually stimulate the blood flow in your lips, which leads to plump, full lips. People spend a lot of money on lip fillers, lip plumpers, but if cinnamon really just works, why haven't I seen more people doing it? So first we have non-flavored plain chapstick. And then we've got cinnamon. You're gonna mix it in a bowl with a spoon. And then you're gonna pucker up, put it on your lips, and just wait to turn into an Instagram model. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but the cinnamon lip plumper didn't work for me. I wonder maybe if I should have gotten the essential oil instead of just using the powder. I have no idea, but for me, it just didn't work. If you guys have tried this and it's worked for you, let me know in the comments because I think this is such a cool natural alternative to lip injections. So even though the lip plumper didn't pull through the way I wanted, I still love cinnamon. I always have it, so I definitely want to use it in my routine more. Thanks for watching this episode, you guys. I will see you next time. Be sure to keep it spicy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Click here to see more videos and click here to subscribe to our channel. Bye.